students. Today we are going to learn our second topic, and our second topic is Baka learns a lesson. Bukka. Don't say it Buka. Its pronunciation is Baka. Baka learns a lesson. Learn means meaning of learn. शिकणे. Lesson. Lesson means it's not a particular topic. Lesson means any lesson. धडा. Whenever we will see that topic, that time you can understand that Baka learns a lesson. In this topic, the information about the animals is given, the forest is given. What type of information is given here? Who is this Baka? How he learns the lesson? Now in this topic, what is given? One elder elephant is given. That elder elephant tells the lesson, teaches the lesson to the juniors. Juniors means you are in second standard. Nursery, LKG, UKG, these students are junior for you. Means smaller than you. तुमच्यापेक्षा लहान आहेत की नाही? Means those are the juniors. Means that older elephant also tells the lesson, tells the information to its junior. What he tells? काय सांगतो तो? Means whenever he tells that whenever you walk in the forest, you run in the forest, or whenever you lay down, that time be careful. Why be careful? Because in jungle, in forest, there are small creatures like a snail. Means whenever you walk in the jungle, we walk in the forest, or we lay down, that time see there are some snail or not. If there are snail, see properly. Or when you lay down, that time see there are some snails. They must not be crushed below your weight. Why? Because those are the small creatures, and the snail tells about the flood water. Whenever the flood comes in the forest, that time who gives us information? The snail gives us. Again another, the squirrel. Well, you have the habit. I am not telling you. This lesson is taught. The older elephant tells to the junior. He tells that whenever you shake the branches of the tree to pick the fruits, that time be careful. Don't shake it. Why? Because in those hollows means suppose there is a tree. In that tree, the hollow, बोळ असतं झाडामध्ये, in that hollow the baby squirrels are there, and whenever you shake the branch of the tree to pick the fruit, that time the babies will fall down and they will die. Means be careful about this. After that, because the squirrel brings news of a forest fire. When sometime the fire is in a forest, that time who gives us the information? The squirrel gives us information. So be careful about them, their babies also. Now that elephant, that older elephant again tells. What he tells? What it tells? How to live in harmony. Harmony means HARMONY. What is meant by harmony? Harmony means the situation, the peaceful situation. No one fights with each other. All live happily. That atmosphere, that situation is called harmony. How to live in harmony. Another, share the good food. Whenever you get the good food, that time don't eat it alone. You have to share that good food with the others, with our juniors. Otherwise, whenever the good food you will find the good food, don't eat it alone. Means this all information, these all lessons are taught to the juniors. Who taught this? The older elephant. But in that small elephant, or in that junior, there is a one naughty. Who is that naughty? Our Baka. Means these are the situations. Means snail tells us about the flood water. Squirrel brings us the news about the forest fire. How to live in harmony. Then share the good food with our junior. These all. And whenever that older elephant tells this, that all animal pay the attention, or they listen it with a rapt attention. Rapt means very carefully. But Baka doesn't listen that older elephants any instruction, any lesson. Why? Because he feels that. Why? Baka doesn't listen it because he feels that why I have to listen it. One day I will become a pig. One day I will become a king of the jungle. And whenever I will be the king of the jungle, why I have to care about these small, small snails, squirrels, baby squirrels? They are very small creatures. How they will help me? And in this way, every day, what happens? That Baka shakes the branches and he pour the water in the rabbit's hole. Again, he crushes the small, small snails under its foot. In this way, every day he does the mischiefs. Means all animals are tired to his mischiefs. He is very naughty. And one day what happened? Whenever the all animals are tired to his mischief, they decide that we will complain to the king of the forest, that the herd elephant. And one day they complained that do something about the Baka's naughtiness, about his mischiefs. And they decide that we must have to teach him a lesson. We must have to teach him a lesson. And one night what happened? Like always, Baka goes to sleep. And that time he goes to sleep beside his mother. But in the morning, when he wakes up, surprised that he is alone. He found himself alone beside the small pool. PWL pole, there is some water everywhere. Around of that, the trees are there. And in between, in middle, there is a water. That is mean the pool. Beside the pool, he is completely alone. Baka jumps up and scratched everywhere. He runs everywhere. He shouted. He started crying. Where is my mother? Where is my father? And where is my family? In this way, he frightened that. But the Baka turns to the birds that time. Means he turns to the birds, means he turns to the creatures for the help. Means he is alone there. And he wants the help. He wants to find his mother. That's why he turns to the birds, animals and the insect in the forest. But they all turn away. They all turn away means no one is ready to help him. Why? Because he had done the mischiefs. He had done the naughtiness with those animals, those creatures, those small baby squirrels. The squirrel says that, have you forgotten you have shook the branch of the tree? Have you forgotten it? Visarla ka tu? Then the rabbit mother says that, don't you remember that you have poured the water in our house? How could you forget this? Miss, you have done so many mischiefs with us. How can we help you? Baka starts crying because no one is ready to help him. Baka starts crying and then he falls asleep. Miss, while crying he falls asleep. रडत रडत काय झालं तो? झोपला. Means whenever he asks to the creatures, whenever he asks to the small elephants, snails, then squirrels, that time no one is ready to help him. Baka starts crying and while crying he sleeps. What happened? Then next day, whenever he wakes up, he finds himself sleeping sleeping aside his mother. Was that a dream? Was that a dream? No, it was not a dream. That time Bakar realized that what mistakes happened by him. How he how he had done the mischiefs with the all animals, all small creatures, and thinks that what I have done, that is wrong. In this way, Baka learns a lesson by himself.